How can beer shotgunning work if the Earth is a globe? Hello everyone, and yes, it has come this far. This video is in response to a comment I got from TinyApe, asking why beer shotguns work. I will quickly go through the physics of beer shotgunning, and I also have a nice experiment at the end. So let's dig in. In case you're not familiar with it, beer shotgunning is a common party trick that allows the drinker to consume a beer quicker than usual, something like this. Let's have a closer look at why this happens. As the can drains, air must fill the void created by the draining beer. The latter creates a vacuum, and when large enough, it will suck air in through the can opening. This is what's known as gurgling, which happens whenever you pour out liquid from a closed container with a small opening. See how the air bubbles go up? If we now poke a hole in the can and then open it on the top, the atmospheric pressure will take care of the vacuum created by the beer draining, thus pushing it out. That's also the reason why there's no gurgle anymore. So can the atmospheric pressure have such a significant impact? To illustrate the atmospheric pressure is real and quite powerful, I made this simple but fun experiment, which by the way you can easily reproduce at home. I filled a glass to the brim with water and then covered it with lightweight objects such as a cork coaster or a plastic lid. Now Mr. Tiny also believes there's no gravity, and objects fall because of their densities. Both the water and the lid/coaster have larger densities than air. Why don't they fall here? The answer is due to the atmospheric pressure exerted on the lid, which is simply larger than the pressure coming from the water in the glass. And yes, as you can see, the hydrostatic pressure is density but also gravity dependent. Since gravity came up, let's also explain this experiment using forces instead. The pressure is force per unit area, so by measuring the diameter of the coaster, we find the force exerted by the atmosphere is about 500 newtons. The force from the water pressure turns out to be only about 5 newtons. And if we consider a weight of 100 grams for the coaster, its gravity is roughly 1 newton, so the air force is considerably larger. If you want more details about gravity versus buoyancy, I have a video just for that. So there, science can explain this little experiment in multiple ways. How many explanations do you have for it?